This video will demonstrate how to mill chamfers with SWOOD CAM. I'll use this 50mm by 45 degree chamfer tool that I've added to our library. Select the bottom edge of the chamfer. There is a chamfer operation, but that's used for 5-axis chamfering. For 3-axis chamfering, we use the contour operation. I'll use this option to define the width and depth of the cut. Good practice is to use the middle of the cutting edge. To accomplish that with this cutter, I'll go 5mm down and 5mm over. Here's the simulation. Thank you.